Hey all, who wants to get dirty today?
I'm going to be using a 80 grit sandpaper to rough up the finish. These are for the sanding pads for a handheld sander. It's going to work for this purpose. I'm just going to rough it up some, give the paint something to stick to. It's not like I'm trying to take a layer off, just give it some texture. Now I'm going to be using some masking tape to cover up the metal finish at the top of the blade, the ornamental work, making sure just to keep it flush with the fan blade itself. I've got the fan blade supported on this little plastic container just to keep it level and elevated, so any overspill is going to go onto the trash bag that covers my table. Today we're going to use, in basics, we're going to use black, a yellow, a red, in Artist Loft I've got blue. Also a 50-50 mixture of Elmer's glue and water, a little bit of silicone spray. I've got reusable cups, little stir sticks. Oh yeah, and don't forget, I'm going to use some white too. I'm using 5 colors, so I've got 5 cups. I'm going to put an equal amount of paint and the Elmer's glue and water mixture in each cup. So as you can see, I've got about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of paint. And I'm going to do the same with each cup. And now in each cup, I'm going to add approximately a tablespoon or 2 of the Elmer's glue and water mixture. Mix each of the cups thoroughly until the paint threads back into the cup. And now I'm going to start my layering. I'm going to start with white, a little touch of silicone spray, going to do a little bit of red, a little bit of spray, a little bit of yellow. You get the gist. Now that I've got all of my colors in the cup, I'm going to add just a little bit of the remaining white just to give a nice smooth surface for the paint to glide on. Just going to spread it around evenly across the portion of the fan that I'm going to be pouring on. There's an awful lot of paint in this cup. Here we go. One mighty flip. There's a lot of paint. big reveal. Look close, you can see the paint's cracking because the pour was too thick. The black is overtaking the color in the design, but it's okay because it was a fun learning experience. I know what to do differently moving forward. I got 6 more blades to play with and make some really fun upcycled wall art. Thanks for hanging out with me and watching this. Maybe you'll show me your art. And remember, say it with me. Be peaceful, be kind. It's important. And I'll talk to you soon.